Hello everyone, my name is Michelle. I am the head of technical at NTI, and I have also been developing these brand new document packs for you guys to use. We've recently just sent out the free moratorium documents, and I just wanted to put together a couple of videos just to show you guys what they can do ahead of the launch of all of the document packs. So first of all, I'm going to do a quick merge for you on the moratorium checklist. I know most of you have had this and probably have already seen this. This one's a really easy merge, same as normal. If you're doing it through IPS, so you get all of the information that comes through. The main thing that's different about this checklist and some of our other checklists will be these little arrows. So at the moment you can see all of the sections that are part of the checklist. And then when you use this drop down arrow, you'll be able to see everything that is part of that section and that needs completing. Now we've done it this way, especially with the moratorium, because you have so many different entries and number of different options for extending and terminating. So this means that you only need to show what you need doing, and it means you can print out different sections at a time if you're still printing them out. And obviously if you are saving it and using it on the computer, it means you can just see what you have been working on. Now, obviously there is instructions here on how to use the checklist, and once a section has been expanded, you do need to go to the paragraph settings, this little box here, and in here where it says collapse by default, oh hang on, sorry, you need to go to this bit, make sure you're on the line with the little arrow, paragraph settings, collapse by default. If you unclick that, press OK, then when you come out of the document, the section will still remain open. If you close the document without doing that, all of the sections that you've opened will collapse back. So it depends on what you prefer to do, but that is generally how to use the checklist. You'll see that our checklists have statutory references, and then obviously the reference to the document numbers and what you will need. A lot of the general documents you won't have, they weren't given as part of the moratorium pack. They are merely, it's only the MRT documents that we have given away. But as you can see, as you work through this checklist, we do have a lot of general documents, so that all of the ethics and things, as well as pension documents. And this means we have been able to limit the number of documents that is required to send over to you. So it makes things much easier to see. So that's it for a quick run through of our checklist. I hope you enjoyed that little video. I'm going to record another one next where I go through the engagement letter. So if you want to have a look at some detailed coding that we have done in our documents, then check that one out.